It's time you learned about the birds and the bees.
When a boy bird thinks a girl bird is very, very hot.
Frank? When two birds love each other very, very much, and they want to make a baby bird, they find a private nest where they can touch.
They put together their, bird parts.
But first they say, I love you very much.
And then they start
Hugging.
They hug until the boy bird has some fun.
Which lasts a couple minutes at most.
The girl bird is passive aggressive. And when they're done, the girl bird is pregnant.
Which means there's a baby inside.
Birds lay eggs.
Not the point, and that's how baby birds are made. He doesn't get it.
Okay.
Oh, okay. When two bees love each other very, very much, and they want to make a baby bee,
The girl bee throws away her birth control.
he doesn't need to know that.
Okay.
The boy bee tells the girl she's beautiful.
'Cause girl bees are needy. The boy bee has a special body part.
The girl bee thinks it's average at best.
Her standards are unrealistic. And she thinks she's smart, but she still gets pregnant.
And soon they're a family of three.
I thought the male bee dies.
Know that, spiders? And that's how baby bees are made.
We know that this talk is a little bit awkward,
It's awkward for us too.
but we'll do our best to answer your questions.
With answers that are true, we'll always be honest with you. So when two people love each other very, very much, and they want to make a baby,
They take off all their clothes and get in bed.
but first they turn the lights off.
Of course,
The mommy tells the daddy, go ahead. And then they start
praying.
They send a special prayer up to God to bless them with a baby.
The boy, he puts the baby in the mommy's body.
If they are married,
And that's why they call it the miracle of life. Yes, that's the way it goes.
they pray without their clothes, and that's how babies are.
You're wrong.
What?
I know about sex.
How?
Google?